Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we're making some super fun play snow. This is an easy sensory activity that's great for kids who love creative play. You only need 2 ingredients, so stick around to find out how to do this. To create play snow, you only need baking soda and water. In a mixing bowl, you'll add 2 cups of baking soda and 1/4 cup of water and mix together. You can mix with your hands or a spoon, but mix until the texture is crumbly, but if you press it, it sticks together. This play snow is soft but moldable, so you can create snowmen or any other figures that you'd like from it. Once the play snow was all mixed together, then I transferred it to a tray to make it easier for sensory playtime. You can leave it simple just like this, or add little fun extra toys like animals or little mini shovels to make it more engaging. And there you have it, some quick and easy play snow made from just baking soda and water. It's a great way to enjoy some winter fun indoors. This is definitely not mess-free, but it is a lot of fun. If you try it out, I hope it goes well, and happy holidays.